Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. So can anyone hear me? Hello.
Mr. Hengley, I guess you can start.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Sorry, I was testing my mic. Sorry.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So we can start now. Okay. Okay. So everyone can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So let's start then. Uh. So hello everyone. Welcome to this afternoon session. So we are doing a real-time facial expression recognitions. My name is Heng, and my other teammate named Soheng. Okay, so real-time facial expression recognition. So we call the facial expression recognition as FIR. So it's an application that identify human facial expressions such as happy, sad, angry, disgust, fear, neutral, and surprise. Those are basic uh, emotions that we are trying to detect. So what we are doing is we are gonna build a neural net models that could take in face of people and then tell them what emotion that they are in. Okay. So, oh yeah, sorry. There's still more. So these are some of the applications that we can thought of. You can use to personalize, create a personalized behavior based on their emotions. And other interesting thing is like a facial synthetic facial expression generations. uh, so this is the example that what I mean by synthetic generations. So this is one of the scene from the Terminator where he scanned for the smiling emotions, and then he could generate the landmark of the mouth, and then he just copy it. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's it. So yes, so and then we are going to we have this site which you can try out our demos. let me post the link to the group here. Yes, actually, yes. Okay, so that's it for our just short introduction of what we are doing. And yes, thank you. And you can try out the demo. And if you have any question, you can talk to us. Uh, uh, yes, hello, Kevin Wong. So, how do I train it? Mm, I think that question a bit broad to me. Let me think. Let me try to answer that later. On what machine? So, we have our own mini deep learning machine at home. We built by ourselves. So yes, we train on that machines, and the model for this kind of test is we build several models, CNN models, and we choose the best one. And another one is CNN LSTM models. So that is also the best one, but will be implemented from a paper, a research paper. And the training times for the our CNN models is around uh, like an hour or two, depending on how many iterations we're training it. And the second one is around, uh, uh, as I remember, it's around 3 hours or so. The LSTM part is a bit longer. Yes.
So there is two model in the link that you send. You can switch the model to test it.
Oh yes. Yes. So my teammate mentioned it. I just remember that we also have a demo for you if you don't know how to use it. So we try to open this back. Okay. Oh wait. So basically on the demo site, it's actually pretty simple. So basically, you could switch between models. In this demo, I used the CNN LSTM ones, and so basically how it works is first you have to capture uh, 10 images, 10 sequence images, which they represent as a kind of muscle contractions, because the model is trying to detect like different combination of muscle contraction in order to know what emotion that you're in, just like it's being shown now. Yes. So that was a wrong prediction on, but the currently that you're seeing here is like I'm trying to do a fear face. For example, this I'm trying to do a surprise face. So basically, this is the sequence that I'm capturing, and then the prediction would be that I'm surprised. Yes. Okay, that's it. Yes, hello. So, how is facial recognition different? You mean that facial expression recognition, right? Hello. Yes. Yes. So actually, they are both different, like very different. So, there are three things here that I want to clarify. There are face detection, face recognition, facial expression recognition. So both three are different. Basically, face detection just detect if it is a face or not, face or not face. Face detection, face recognition. Who are you? Uh, you give me a face. I tell you. For example, I give. Uh, there's a face recognition system. I give my face to it. It was even knows that I'm a Heng Li. My name's yes. That is face recognition. So facial expression recognition is about I give you a face and you tell me what emotion that the face is expressing. For example, it's angry, happy, something like that. So how are you able to detect the face, right? So because our project is focused on facial expression recognition, so the face detection part we use external library. For example, in the web demo that you are seeing, we use Face API JS. It is a deep learning libraries that can be used on the client side. Uh, Let me open this up. Uh, yes, this one. So these are some of the libraries that can be used to detect face. Uh, in this slides, I was explaining that there are also libraries that do what I do, but for in your question, these kind of library also can detect face. So we use one of these libraries, particularly this one, Face API JS, to detect face, and then we crop them. I crop the face, I grayscale it, resize it, and fit into my own model in order to detect the expressions. Yes. And do you train by landmarks only? No. The landmark uh, training for landmark is a different topic. Yes, I hope I answer your question. Could you send me link to the paper? Expand the paper with your own idea. So I have implemented many papers. So you want the CNN one, right? And second question, no, I only implemented what is being written. So I'm going to send you the CNN LST.
So is there any question more related to our topic?
Hello, hello, Heng, and
Yes, please.
yes, I went on your demo, and I kind of thinking every time that I test your application, it's kind of a good facial exercise. Do you agree with me? You know why? Because right now I think there is an app that kind of people need to do facial exercise to move the muscle. And how can you detect that that okay you really move and kind of straight out your muscle very well? I think this application could do that. Your application can do that. For example, extremely you really want to stress and make a surprise, right? A surprise expression. That one you really have to stretch out your facial a lot.
So maybe we can change the title as facial exercise.
Oh yeah, I think you could make an app already. Could make an app. This one, okay. You want to have a morning facial exercise. If you could get a point like move from one, you probably read a little bit of kind of medical facial exercise. You move from one expression, the one that neutral one, right? What is the second degree of to straight or exercise your muscle? Okay, smiling from neutral, the first step. Second step is a smiling, and then what is next? Surprise. Is that a surprise?
Yes.
And then angry. Probably that one is extremely stretched out. And then you go down from the small one to extreme one, and then from the extreme one to the neutral one. And then at the end there start every day. I think is kind of is it seem like a funny application, but I think it's enjoyable.
So hello, Miss. So anybody can still hear me, right? Hello.
Yes.
So anyone still have any questions? You can ask any question. And in case you didn't have the link to demo, I just paste the link again. Just